Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today's video is all about the AirPods Pro. So I had these AirPods for like a couple of months, but I never had the chance to unbox them and create a video about them. So that's what I will do today. So right away you see me wrapping off that plastic. And why is it that the plastic is starts always good at the beginning, but eventually it messed up? Maybe that's a feedback for Apple. They should create a plastic that can be wrapped up just straight and clean and neat without having me to do anything extra. If you want to bring that unbox experience up, you should definitely go for that, Apple. But what we see here, the box, obviously, the AirPods. But let's go back to those paperwork, AirPods Pro. That's all this video is about. Let me put that back. And let's go right over to the actual box. So what we have here are the actual AirPods. And yeah, once again, we need to wrap up that plastic. And this time, Apple has done some great job creating that plastic because as you see, the wrapping experience goes very well. So yeah, shiny AirPods, nothing to say about them. They're looking great. No scratches over there, obviously, because they are brand new. What we have here and what I thought was cool, that Apple is thinking about everything. So what we here have are earbuds, so for smaller eyes or bigger eyes, or whatever size you have. But we also have that small logo. And that paper, it doesn't feel like paper. It feels like some kind of cloth material. It's a very thick material and it feels very qualitative. And last but not least, the charger. What we have here are the lightning cable, no USB-C. But I'm fine about it. We have a USB-C at the other side, so if you have a MacBook and you want to charge your AirPods, you can just connect them to your MacBook Pro or Air. But let's go back to the actual AirPods. We slide them open, and yeah, the first thing that's very noticeable about these AirPods are the size of those AirPods. So they are very small. Unlike the previous, or not the previous AirPods, but the normal AirPods, those AirPods are a bit larger. And yeah, I thought about connecting them to my iPhone, obviously, because we need to let them work. So what we need to do is turn on the Bluetooth, bring the AirPods nearby the iPhone. Okay, that wasn't a good idea. I shouldn't bring that brightness up to that level. And what you have to do is just click the AirPods open and boom, right away, there you have it. That's what Apple is good at. They create the connecting experience very easy. They made a cool animation over there, just how to go to noise control and what to do to go to the noise canceling experience, the control center, what to do. They give you a little how-to video over there just by gestures and animations and icons. And that's something that Apple nails every time. It's not without a reason that Apple calls themselves the best of the best, like the Champions League when it comes to creating tech products. So let's go ahead and hit continue. So we got a pretty juiced up AirPods over there. And this is how you go to the control center. So first of all, you need to go to Bluetooth. So click on that, go to your AirPods Pro that are already connected to your iPhone and hit on the eye icon. And yeah, what we see here is how to connect your AirPods, how to adjust the control setting. We see the non-cancellation. You can turn that noise cancellation off, or you can go to transparency mode. But I thought to give it a try. So I'm putting the AirPods now in my ears. Unfortunately, I'm not filming that, so I'm sorry for lacking of more footage, but in future videos, I'm thinking about changing this whole setup and going for a face-to-face in camera without and just skipping this overhead view. But let's go back. What we can do is test the fit of the AirPod buds, of those tips. So what you need to do is go and put them in your ears and test the quality. So a little noise or some of the noise will be played in your ears, and that way Apple knows that those AirPods are good sealed. So that's also something well thought about. So great. Yeah, Apple has done a great job creating that. And what we have here is a control panel, or a widget rather, that shows me what devices are connected to my iPhone and what the battery status of those devices are. So what you saw just right now are both AirPods, both AirPod buds, and the case that comes along with those AirPods. So that's actually it for this video. It's just the unboxing experience. I haven't used them yet to give you the full review of those AirPods. So how do they function when you are at the gym, or when you are running, or when you talk to someone while having that noise cancellation turned off? That's all what we will discover in a next video. So keep tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.